I wonder what's going on here. Let us take a closer look.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, what are you folks doing over here?
I'm looking at Poppy, the new troll doll. Isn't she cute? I love that she's pink, my favorite color. And I love that her hair is everywhere up there. Cute, and she likes to dance.
Well, I think we should take her out of the box and see what she does. She's about 9 inches tall to the top of her head, right there. But if you get all of her hair in there, she would be about 14 inches tall. She's got a nifty crown and a great bracelet for the girls to wear. You wear the bracelet and you have to press that little button in the middle, and her bracelet will light up. Pretty neat. All right, I'm putting on the bracelet. There you go. Look, it fits my wrist too. All right, now we'll press it and find out what happens. Here's her comb, so you can comb her locks. We're going to take a look at the instruction book. What does it say? It says, let's dance to music. Stand Poppy on flat surface, pull arms forward, hold hands, and tilt side to side for a few seconds. All right, let's see if she's going to work. Let's see what happens if we press her belly.
Hooray!
Oh my. Her head lights up. Her hair lights up underneath that crown. Watch this.
Always let your true colors shine.
Okay. How come this doesn't work? There we go. I just pressed my bracelets. Well, thank you. Natural curly, what can I say? What else can you do? Press the belly for more phrases, sounds, and lights. Okay, let's try it again.
Everything is just cupcakes and rainbows.
I like that. Cupcakes and rainbows.
Me too.
All right, let's try the tilting side by side again and see if that's going to happen. I'm going to press my bracelet. Okay, and let's see what's going to happen.
Blow it and show it.
Okay, what else?
A 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, I'm not giving up. Hey,
Yay! I can play! Yay!
I will get back up again.
That was so cute!
She goes off by herself. She's a cute little troll, though. She's got such a happy face.
You're right, Mom.
I like her little bracelet. And you're supposed to be able to take off her crown.
More glitter! Yeah!
There we go. More glitter. I guess she likes glitter. I have not seen the movie yet. I'm not sure, but I know I used to have trolls when I was younger. And I think they're cool. They're coming out again. What do you think?
Yay! I can play! Yay!
All right, well, let's see how easy it is to comb her hair. See, I've got her comb. This is her comb. Let's see.
How about a hug?
So many styles you can do with her hair. Okay, let's give a hug.
Hugs are the best.
Oh, she recognized the hug. That's cool. Okay, let's fix your hair here. There's like a little rod in there to help her hair stand up. There you go. Little rod. Make it nice and cool. She's supposed to be a little princess, I guess, in the troll world. So, I think she's got a cool. Let's turn her around. She's got. That's kind of cute. But her ears do not move. They're stationary. But you can put her hands up like this. Gotta learn how to stand up. Her head is a little, I guess, heavier.
How about
Oh my. A hug? Okay, let's get her little belly.
time?
Wow. All right.
She says 25 phrases, and they use music from the movie.
I just picked her up and laid her down to check out her backside here. She's on. She's got try me, and she has off to the right of me. Cool. And she says, oh, you're back, because I left her a little while. How cute is that?
That was so cute.
I love your hair. She loves my hair. How cute is that? You can, I wonder what kind of styles you can do her hair up in.
You can do anything, Mom.
I don't know. I'm trying to hit my bracelet. It lights up and then it goes out. What's up with that? And her bracelet's not lighting up. How come? I have to get closer to it? There you go. It just takes time.
Today is going to be the best day ever.
Really? I need the best day ever. Too cute. Waiting for my computer to work.
Here's where her bracelet works in the movie.
Okay, it's about finding your happy place, November 4th. That's when this movie is going to come out. It looks like it's really going to be cute. Check out the trailers on YouTube. Can you see the little glitter on her cheeks? She has glitter on both her cheeks. And this is significant with the movie. They'll explain that when you see the movie. She is cute. She's a happy little troll, and she wants to bring happiness back to her little village. So Poppy is a heroic leader of the trolls. She lifts the spirits of everyone around her with positivity and the belief that with a song in your heart, you can do anything. What a great little troll to have around. I think the kids would like her for Christmas or birthday. We'd just like to have her in her collection.
Me too. Okay, watch for the movie. I can't wait to see it myself. Okay, I'm gonna go play with my new troll, Poppy, before my sissies get up. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching.
Everything is just cupcakes and rainbows. A 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, I'm not giving up today. There's nothing getting in my way. And if you knock me over, I will get back up again. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance,